Hi, welcome back to Kind Finder channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find hidden highlights on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You can create a bunch of highlights during your soft life era, but now, your feed scream business growth and productivity. Those old vacation clips suddenly feels out of place, and you'd rather lock them away than delete the memories entirely. You can hide your highlights, and I've shown you on my previous video before. And now, what if you want to get back your hidden highlights to your profile? Maybe for some reason you want to show them up on your profile on Instagram. Is very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now we can go to your settings. You can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. But before that, I will show you. I will hide this one. You can tap and hold in archive highlight. So now you can tap on the up right corner and three lines over here. You can go to archive. And from archive, you can go to stories archive. I'm sorry, highlights archive with the love icon in here. So here's your hidden highlights on your Instagram. And if you want to show them on your profile, you can just tap and hold on the highlights. And there is an option show on profile. You can select on that. Show on profile. Also this one. Show on profile. Now let's see. Now you have three highlights on your Instagram profile. It's very simple, right? So that is how to show hidden highlights on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.